Hello, I'm Irvin D. Simpson Jr., President of Southwestern Christian College. I bring you greetings, and I come to you with both a heavy and hopeful heart. On Sunday, March 23rd, a fire broke out in Mary Carpenter Residence Hall, the home of our precious young women. Thanks be to God, every student was safely evacuated. There was no loss of life, but a place filled with memories, prayers, and dreams was deeply impacted. Southwestern Christian College has stood for over 75 years as a beacon of Christian education and HBCU, rooted in faith, preparing students to serve God and shape the world. We offer a holistic education, motivating students to prepare for academic excellence, embrace moral and spiritual values, and prepare for meaningful life and service and leadership. Though the fire disrupted our space, it did not destroy our spirit. We are strong in spirit. We are grounded in faith. We are the Rams. Right now, we are asking for your prayers and your support. We invite you to help us rebuild Mary Carpenter Hall, not just as a dormitory, but as a sanctuary of possibility, purpose, and spiritual growth. We cannot do this without you. We have set a goal to complete the repairs by July 20th, 2025 before the students return. Please consider giving $75, $150, $500, or $1,000, or whatever you are led to share. Every gift matters. Every act of kindness helps us move forward. With God's grace and your generosity, we will rise, we will rebuild, and emerge stronger than ever. United in purpose, filled with hope. We are strong. We are grounded in faith. We are the Rams.